And it's about barely 65. Let's go to the right side as far as you can go. And it's barely 60. It's like 55 degrees for me, a little bit more. Perfect. Was that okay?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect. And look up to the top right for me. Relax your head a little bit more. Top right, a little bit more. Here it goes. That's the side that's really stuck. How was that?
Good.
All right, so we reached pad 70 to almost 75. Let's go to the right side. And this is the one I'm worried about. Here we go. 65